What's up? What's up? What's up, Love God family? So dinner is going to be curry chicken, white rice with mixed lentils, and radicchio salad. Carrot juice with cantaloupe, honeydew, pineapple, lemons, and sea moss. So I juiced the carrots, was like 5 pounds of carrots, half a melon, half a cantaloupe, half a honeydew, 2 lemons, 2 lime, and the radicchio, spinach, cabbage, and the radicchio leaf, fried plantain, and avocado. And guys, thank you. I just want to say thank you for supporting me. Thank you for the likes, the thumbs up, the subscribe. Thank you so much. You've been such a blessing to me. I didn't really know that I would even get a 1 subscriber, and I'm up to 55 subscribers. So thank you to everybody. Thank you to everyone that subscribe, and please like and share the video. And today I am blessed. I am highly favored by the Almighty, and you are as well. If you're alive, if you have a roof over your head, if you have something to eat, you are blessed. You're highly favored by God. So guys, I'm just gonna turn around the camera. I already have a plate ready for you, nicely done. So I'm just gonna turn it around so you can see how beautiful it looks. Look at that, guys. That's the radicchio salad. This is the rice with mixed lentils, curry goat, guys, and the salad, radicchio salad with spinach, cabbage, avocado, and red plantain. And I'm gonna pour you a nice glass of juice. Guys, look at that. Look at that goodness. So beautiful. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Love you. Thank you for watching, and please hit the notification bell, select option all, so whenever another informational video is out, you can see, you can get a notification and see how I cook, and you can cook along with me, guys. So stay tuned for the next video. Andines TV.
Tell me how